Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be changing the power booster on my 2007 Volkswagen Beetle convertible. Thanks for joining me. This is kind of a common issue with the power booster going out on these, and the way to know is it will make a hissing sound when you push on the brake pedal. It also stops like an old farm truck. It requires a lot of pressure to push it down and get the brakes to engage. But the hissing sound, there's actually two things that could cause that. It could be either a vacuum hose, and I've already checked that. Everything looks good there. And then the next thing would be that power booster. So we're going to go ahead and get those replaced now. And that is conveniently located along the firewall there. So I'll have to get some of this out of the way so we can access that. Yeah, I need to get an LED work light. I gotta do stuff under the Jeep, and that's not gonna happen because I mean, I won't be able to film it. It'll still happen. I just won't be able to film it.
Just do it at my place.
Huh?
Just do a lot of that stuff at my place.
Do it at your place?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because here's the thing. I have a better shop setup for that type of thing.
Well, and it's gonna need a lot more work than this.
This one.
You know, it needs.
This one. Because we're already, like, Matt and I are already, like...
Are you done with your Jeeps?
prepping to start yours.
Oh, okay.
Once Matt's done with his, we'll be able to kind of roll into yours.
Oh, nice.
So...
I'll bring my iron fist.
Love it.
What?
Love it. Iron fist.
That's right. Should use it on here. Can we use it on here? There's got to be something we can use that for.
I don't know. Okay, so that's a 10. God, where's the other one? The other one's right down there. So, 2 10 mils.
All right. Oh, you and your weird tools.
It's my travel box.
I've got snap-ons you can use. You put it all in that cart over there.
I'm used to throwing it up there.
Okay.
And we're going to also need to probably, to give us a little bit more room, we're going to pull the battery.
Oh, you think so?
Just wouldn't be a bad idea.
Okay.
Because I don't want to have to worry about shorting anything across the battery.
Oh.
Okay, so
Then that'll
put that
lift
up
out.
there. This should potentially just.
What's it caught on? There's something. Okay, right back there.
Okay, now get that one over there.
It looks like it's hanging up back on that back one.
There's a rubber hose.
Yep.
Or no, that's just a grommet.
There you go.
I do not know why that just released.
Well,
That's
there you are. It was hung up on this, the air duct.
air duct. Okay.
Yep.
Figured. And then also the rubber grommet up above.
Oh, okay.
There's a isolator.
Oh, right. Okay. So there you go. There it is. Look at that thing. So this is gonna be fun.
This
Right.
this blowing out and how you when you're like it did the whoosh noise, that's this blowing out. The diaphragm
yeah.
blew up.
Yeah, I've got video of that if you want to hear it.
It's the diaphragm.
You're like, I believe it.
Oh, that's gonna suck. Those are weird. So that's a 13 right there.
Okay.
Unsure of how I'm going to connect up and get out that one at this point. I guess I'll just build my extension.
Oh, there you go. Now those are just a bolt.
But this one I definitely do. Without using the specialty tools, I'm going to need to see what I'm doing from the back side.
Yeah. Alright, got the master cylinder off of the power booster. Joel is in the car right now trying to get the pedal disconnected. And yeah, I'm not going to be able to film that. Oh, maybe I will. I'll have to go on the other side. camera that he's using to see where the release is up in there, so he can get the brake pedal
So I don't know if you can.
disconnected from the booster.
I don't know if you can see it, but the shaft comes in. Actually, come up a bit. The shaft comes in, hits a ball socket right there. Volkswagen is the only one. Well, Volkswagen Audi is the only one that uses a ball socket. This actually requires a special tool that unfortunately we don't have today, so we're going to actually see about on the sides there are plastic tabs that hold the ball socket in. I'm going to attempt to come in and release these tabs so that I can release actually the whole plastic piece from the pedal assembly.
What the?
Yeah, this side you should be able to just pull it free.
Yeah, but you know that block with all the fucking things coming out of it
Yep,
that you said might be in the way?
it's in the way.
I think that's in the way. Unless you can fucking.
Got the rubber boot off. Let's see what's going on.
What?
Let's see what's going on.
Now I feel like it's getting hung up behind. God damn it.
Let's see what's going on.
All right.
Because we are disconnected.
Okay. So I'm just going to have to edit all of that out because of Joel's language. But it's finally out. It is a pain. We had to move the master cylinder. We had to move the, what did you move down here? The
So that would be
anti-lock brake
anti-lock brake controller,
module,
yeah,
and then
the EGR valve, and like everything else that happened to get in the way.
And then we sprayed some shrink spray.
And like any good repair manual will tell you, installation is the reverse of removal.
So there you go.
I'm not looking forward to this.
We're going to have some fun. I'm going to learn some new words. Because I don't use such words as my brother. But we'll go ahead and get this new booster in and then try and get it all hooked back up. Well, it wasn't easy, but Joel and I got this all put in. Matt came out and helped as well, and got that new power booster in there. Got all the rest of the underside here put back together, air box, EGR valve back on, everything reattached. Did take it out for a spin, and I've actually got good solid brakes now, and it doesn't feel like a farm truck. It feels like I actually have good power brakes. So super excited about that, because now this car is very capable and drivable. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.
Right.